Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add vinyl record sticker to your Instagram story. So if you want to add that cool vinyl record stickers to your Insta story, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how you can find and use the latest Instagram sticker update to make your stories look aesthetic and trendy. So in here, let's just launch the Instagram application first. So once you are in the app, you can just start by going to the Instagram story feature. So click on a plus icon to open the Insta story camera. Now you can just take a photo, or you can use your photo from your gallery as the background. So in here, I'm going to find the photo, let's say. Okay, so I'm going to use this as the background, for example. Now to find the vinyl record sticker, first you need to add music to your Instagram story. So click on this music feature at the top and you'll be shown with this music options that you can use, or you can also search for specific music that you want. So I'm going to just search for beach, for example. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Click on the music that you want to attach to your Instagram stories. So to attach that vinyl record sticker, you can just tap on this options, swipe until you find this vinyl record sticker. So this one at the very end is where you can find the sticker. You can tap on done, and in here you can always adjust like the position, the size of the vinyl record sticker. So I'm going to put it at the center like this. If you want to, you can also customize it by clicking on a sticker again. Here you can change the color of the song title. As you guys can see, when you click on this, the title color will be changed. You can also add your dancing avatar by clicking on this avatar icon at the top, and you can tap on done if you are done customizing the sticker. So this is it, the final look of the final record sticker on your Insta story. You can now just upload it to your story or to only to your close friends. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.